homework. So only 15 students have joined. Anyways, good morning to everyone. So yesterday we have discussed, about the usage of the word board, how it is used like noun form, verb form, and even we have told about a word by present word, how it is going to be changed. The meaning of the word is going to be changed in different context. And I have asked you to do some homework also. If you have done the homework, please share your homework. Okay. Let me know how many have done homework. Just put it in the chat box if you have done the homework. But don't give me wrong information. Huh? And last 5 minutes, I'm going to check your homework. I'll ask you to show through your camera what is the homework you have done. Okay. So today we shall see grammar. That is textual grammar. So in the interview, Hafiz contractor shares his past experience and habits by saying. So he has shared his past experience, like how he was in his childhood, why he was not interested in mathematics, and what was his nightmare, and how did he shift from German to French language, and how he has got the interest in architecture, and slowly how he has designed small windows to then do big monuments and buildings and roads. So he has become a world famous architect. So here when we are trying to express your past activity, I'll tell you now a personal example. I used to walk for nearly 6 kilometers when I was in my graduation. When I was in my degree, or I was studying biotechnology, I used to walk around 6 kilometers, up and down 12 kilometers. That was a past habit. I used to take part in NCC. I used to, means this is indicating about, this is saying about a past experience. Now that experience is not there. Now I cannot go for NCC, or I cannot go for running, all those things. So when you want to express the past activity, you will be mostly using used to. For example, you can see here Hafiz has said, I used to be so interested in playing. I used to be so interested means once upon a time he was having the interest. Right now he is not having the interest because he's grown up, he's become an architect, he's busy with his designing work. So when you want to express any future experience, I mean any past experience, you are supposed to use the word I used to. Like he said, I used to be so interested in playing. I would receive caning every week. Now both used to and would are used to talk about habitual actions of the past. What are habitual actions? For example, I'll tell you. You get up in the morning, or you wake up in the morning, you just refresh yourself. You have your bath, you have your breakfast, you read. So all these things are a part of your life. Even they have already happened even yesterday, day before yesterday. So when you express any past habitual action means what you do from morning to evening. Like, you used to come to school. You used to come to school in the past. Right now we are not coming, of course. So when you want to express any past habitual actions, you are supposed to use used to and would. Both are used to talk about habitual actions of the past. I used to go for a walk, and I would feel very energetic after the walk. I would feel. Right now I'm not feeling. I would feel when I used to walk. Right now no walking, so not feeling so energetic. So similarly, like that, you just type any sentence like I used to. By using I used to. Let me see how many of you are going to give me one sentence. I'll wait for 2 minutes. So frame a sentence by using I used to and would. For example, I used to paint when I was in class 6, and I would get appreciation from my teacher. So something like that. Anyone? Let me see how many are going to type message. Is anyone giving a message? I used to be so late to the school, and I would receive punishment from my PT teacher, PT sir. When I'm late, he used to punish me. I used to answer all the questions that were asked in the class, and my teacher would appreciate me every day when I answered the question. Something like that. Now, most of you would say, we used to bunk our classes and we would receive punishment from our parents. That way also you can say. Okay. Think about sentences and type it. I have given you type. Chat is already open now. Nobody is getting answers. Think, you'll get it. You're more intelligent than me. Write about any past thing. Okay. For example, I used to play cricket when I was in grade 5, and I would feel happy while I was playing cricket. Something like that you can see. Anything. Please be a little bit fast in typing. Huh? And still, my friends used to call me, Mike said, because my voice is very louder. My friends used to call me, like a mic piece. They used to address me as a mic piece as my voice was very audible. Okay. And similarly, in the evening, I would go for playing near my home, or in the evening I would go for attending music classes, something like that, or I used to play pranks on my friends sometimes. Okay, I used to make a ball with the tar while I was at school. One incident, there was a road laid in front of our school. I was in grade 4 at that time, so we were having, we used to play cricket. Okay, see, I'm trying to use the word used to. We used to play cricket every evening, and in the school also we used to play football and cricket. They were our favorite games. So interval time 15 minutes, we used to divide like two teams, nine members, and we used to play football. And in lunchtime, 40 minutes, we used to complete our lunch within 10 minutes, and remaining 30 minutes, we used to play cricket. Okay, with all those things. So even when we were not having ball, we used to make a ball with the tar. Tar means dambar. Okay, what you use for laying the roads. And the ones in one incident, it was seen by our social master, Mr. Francis, is a brother. Okay, ours is a missionary institution. Okay, so there, our social teacher, social sir by name Francis. So he used to be very, very strict. Okay, and social is very lengthy subject. Okay, very lengthy questions were there, and he used to give us daily homework, writing work, learning. And we are so scared. We used to frighten to sir, you know, to the maximum extent, because he always asked questions. Without asking questions, he never used to start his class. Now remember one thing, I am using used to, and even I'm telling about my past experience of my social teacher and the kind of experience what we used to have in the class. So one day, interval time after, after lunch time, fifth period was social studies. And that day, sir gave a very big, lengthy answers to learn. Okay. And that particular day in the morning time only, there was a road that was laid in front of our school, and the damper was so soft. So what we have done, so we used to collect that tar, that is dambar, and we used to mold it like a ball, and to make it dry we used to put it under the sun and just cover it with some grass or something like that. Our ground was a very big ground. Okay, we used to have a very big ground in the school. And that day when we were making the balls, our PT master was very strict in uniform. Okay, it's a sky blue shirt was there. So while we used to make that balls, the tar and everything got stuck on her shirt, and even it got stuck to her both hands. They have become very black. Okay, and I used to have a friend, of course he's there now also. So that friend always laughs for no reasons. His name was Rajesh. Okay, sorry, his name is Rajesh. He's still there. Okay, he always laughs for everything, he smiles for everything. So all that tar got stuck, and we went into the class, and we forgot that we are supposed to learn the answers. And that day, nobody answered the questions. I still remember that one sentence. Okay, before independence, India was sort of food grains. This sentence I still remember because that day I received caning not only on the hands, even on my back also, because we were completely engrossed in only making the ball, okay, to play cricket. That was our interest, okay, because we used to play regularly cricket. And that day when we don't have a ball, so as the road was laid, we showed some interest, in making the ball. And we received a very tight punishment from our sir, Mr. Francis. He banned us literally, black and blue. Nice caning was given at the back and hands. He asked us to show the hands. Unfortunately, that tar got stuck, and though we washed also, it didn't come out. We don't have soap and everything. We don't have any oil to wash. It was there like that, and sir, he has seen he saw our hands and he punished us. And one more sir was used to be there by name Bala Shavriti. He is also social teacher in high school in ninth and 10th. Very, very, strict sir. Always, my rule number was number 23. Rule number 23, come out, come out. And every time we used to ask questions, and the moment we have not answered, he would give us good caning. But very good teachers, they have given us punishment, no doubt, but they have taught us something better than, we always feel very happy with the kind of education what we have received from our teachers. So this is my past experience. So like that, even Hafiz also used to play cricket, and he would receive caning while he was doing. Now, pick out some more similar expressions from the text, having used to and would, and write in your notebook. So what you do, just write. Tell your friends what you did normally when you were in class 7. I have told my experience of class 4 and class 10. Now you write your experiences by using used to and would when you were in class 7. Okay. I would eat my lunch even in the interval, putting my ticket box down under the desk. And I would receive some punishment from a teacher because once or twice she caught me that this fellow is not listening to class and he is eating his lunch before the lunch break. Okay. And even my friends and we used to have, good, we always used to sit in the open ground, not in the classroom. Okay. We have all neem trees, and we used to sit in a circle, and we used to share our lunch boxes. And we would feel very happy sharing the lunch box with the friends. But right now, situations have changed. We are restricted to class. We're supposed to sit in the class and eat. Okay. I don't know whether sharing is happening or not in the classrooms, but we used to have this fun. We used to go for field trips. We visited NIT, which is National Institute of Technology. Okay. We also visited, we used to go for a tour to planetarium in Varangal. And we used to also go to medical college and see the kind of, course the students are going to do. They used to show us a human skeleton and everything. We would have, we got good knowledge actually when we were in school days. So now it is your chance. Discuss and please write the answers. And last 5 minutes, I'm going to ask each and everyone, you should tell me 2 sentences. Okay, by using used to. Right? Now let's come to the next bit. In the interview, I'll put it here. In the interview, you have read about Hafiz contractor. Okay, school experience, what he has experienced in his school, and career development. Now imagine that Hafiz contractor is invited as a chief guest as a part of a children's day. Prepare a script for comparing. What is comparing? Comparing is the art of preparing the anchoring script. Now, even you can see in our school also, sometimes primary children and sometimes you or your brothers, I mean 9th, 10th class children, they used to do program comparing. What is comparing? The entire script of anchoring. Starting from good morning everyone, today is a very auspicious day. We have gathered here to celebrate one of the important national festivals, that is Children's Day. The Children's Day is there, is celebrated in order to commemorate the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born in Ahmedabad in the year 1889, and so on. You keep on adding. He has done a lot of reforms in education. He has been a prime minister for so many things. So before we start our program, I would like to invite class 8 children to perform a welcome dance, then a speech by Arinandan, or like a song by whoever it is. So this complete program agenda in script form is called as comparing, not comparing, comparing, COMPERING, comparing. Now here we have a small biodata about Hafiz. What is given here? Hafiz contractor was born in 1950. He did his graduate diploma in architecture from Mumbai in 1975 and completed his graduation. Everything is mentioned. Okay, 1 second. So he was born in 1950. That is given one thing. Okay, and what is this given? He did his graduation diploma in architecture from Mumbai. That you know very well how he has done in 1975. Okay, and he also completed his graduation from Columbia University in New York because he was having much interest. He has gone to New York and there he has done his masters in architecture from Columbia University and with a scholarship of Tata. I mean, they have given him a stipend. Stipend means they only contribute the entire money for your studies if you do well. Most of our 10th class sisters and brothers are even writing national talent search exam, right? Even that also, when you qualify monthly 2000 or something like that, you get it as a scholarship in order to reward your talent. So he has done. So Hafiz contractor commenced his career with Kargat, okay, as an apprentice. Apprentice means what? Under one experienced person, you will be working, okay, you will be learning the work. For example, you have just finished your MBBS. So what you do is that for 2 years, you will be an apprentice. You will be working under a senior doctor. Why? In order to gain the experience. So here also, Hafiz, in order to gain the experience of architecture, he has worked under one more architect by name Kargat, okay, as an apprentice. For apprentice, you will not be paid salary. You will be paid some amount for your like your pocket money, and you will be taught how to do the work because you will be seeing the things and you will be learning the work. So he became an associate partner. He has become a partner in the same firm in the year 1977 and 80. Hafiz was a visiting faculty at the Academy of Architecture. He is a visiting faculty. I mean, once in a while he comes and he gives a lecture about architecture, like a guest faculty. He is a member of the Bombay Heritage Committee and New Delhi Lutyens Bangla Zone, okay, Reviews Committee. He is a member of the committee. So like this, he has got some reputation or he has become a world famous. Now, taking all this into consideration, you are supposed to do what? Okay, and practiced had modest beginning, very down to the earth, okay, with a staff of 2 when he started his own company of architecture designing. Only 2 people were there, and today it has gone to how much? 350 people are there in the company. So earlier it started only with 2 people, including senior associate, architects, interior designers, draftsmen, civil engineers, so many things he has done. Now, following all these features, we're comparing given. Arrange the program as required by the context. Now, when you're celebrating Children's Day, first you'll give introduction about Children's Day. Okay. And then you'll be having a program details, songs, dances, speeches, prize distribution, vote of thanks, okay, role plays or fancy dress. So taking all those things into consideration, you need to prepare a compare. Okay, comparing is the anchoring script. You need to do it. Okay, so present the background. Why do we celebrate Children's Day? Highlight the person, like who are the chief guests of the event. If you call some other person, you can call today. We have with us our Mr. Hafiz, the world-renowned architect. Some biography about him. This taking all these points into consideration. Give a brief introduction about Hafiz. Then introduce Chairman Sir Mr. Anthony Reddy, Principal Sir Reddy Sir, or somebody else, whomever you want to introduce. Then welcome dance or welcome song by which class students, and then what are the events of the entire Children's Day, how many dances, how many songs, all those things in a script form you need to write. Use polite and entertaining expression. Wow, that was a marvelous performance. Wow, that was a energetic performance. That was a a great inspiring message. All those things you need to write. Now, okay, so listen to the comparing script by a student on the occasion of Teachers' Day and answer the following question. This is there in listening. After the class, please read the comparing which is given at the back of the text. In listening, you have read that and try to fill up this. And tomorrow, everybody, after listening this, you need to prepare your own comparing script on A4 paper and you have to submit to me by tomorrow evening. Today, after the class, you go to listening comprehension, read the comparing that was prepared by the child, okay? And then you prepare your own comparing for Children's Day, okay? Highlighting all the events of the program. So this is what we are supposed to do. Okay, right. Now, what I'll do is, I'll stop my sharing. Now it's to you people. So I want everyone to prepare, give me one sentence. I've unmuted everybody. Give me one sentence by using used to. Either
I used.
text, yeah. Who is the one speaking? Let me have gallery. Come on. I've unmuted everybody. You can give me answers either in the form of message or text. A message or oral answer. I used to come late to school. Who is that? Honey Joy. Okay, I used to come to school. Very good, very good. But good answer, but don't do that. Huh? Okay, I used to come late to school. I used to be active in games. So I would achieve prizes. Great. Who is that? Shravani. Very nice. Good, good. Still, still. Only two people. Whoever says the answer, I'm going to spotlight their face now. I'm going to spotlight their. Now I highlighted who? Trihan, I have highlighted you so that you will answer the question. And again, you have gone for the picture mode. Would you like to say the answer? Still, who else? I would be used how school will reopen. No, this is wrong, beta. Very sorry, this is wrong. No. Now, would is always used to express here in the context about past things. Okay, about the past happenings. I have given you so many. I used to write homework in classroom. Okay, with hidden. Okay, I used to write homework in classroom by hiding. Okay, and I would be caught by my teacher or my class leader. Great, good attempt. Well done. Super. Right. Still, I used to write homework in classroom with hidden. Oh, same thing. Still. Okay, fine. By the end of the day, I need at least 5 examples from they used to visit the old hospital. Yeah, they used to visit the old hospital. Correct answer. Great. Abhinav, good attempt. I used to participate in all activities. Anijo, good. Sir, copy. Okay, I used to copy in the exams. Huh? Great. Copying is an adventure in the exam, right? It's a risky thing. We should not be seen by teacher. We should ask our friend. We should write the answer. It's not an ordinary task. It's a challenging task, extraordinary thing. We have to manage many people and do it. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you see, we're all no problem. Still, shall I end the class then? Everyone should write at least 5 sentences and produce me today by 5 o'clock in the WhatsApp group or personally to me. If you don't, tomorrow you'll not be allowed into the class. And I'm not going to give you a formative marks also. I used to play phone so that I would get scoldings. No, I used to play with phone. Okay, good attempt. Who's Shravani, huh? Yeah, I think so. Good attempt. Right. I'm ending the class. We will meet tomorrow. I mean on Monday, Wednesday again. But in the meantime, you are supposed to write at least 3 to 5 sentences and put it in the WhatsApp or personally to me. Okay. Bye bye and have a great day.